Welcome to Focus Mind.
Welcome to day number 12. I'm very excited to share this with you because today we're going to be doing a guided meditation which will help you feel enough, which will help you feel like you are deserving of the kind of success, of the kind of life that you want in 2019 and beyond. This video is especially for you if you are experiencing some kind of external success, if you have a nice car, if you have a nice job, but you feel empty inside. You feel like there's something off. You feel like there's a voice inside of you that's screaming, that's saying, this is not who you really are. If this is you, this video is going to be for you. My name is Bogdan, and let me just share before we begin that I've been through it. All that I wanted in 2013, when I quit my job to do what I love, to teach martial arts and personal development, all I wanted was to prove myself. I felt like I was not worthy, like I was not enough. So what I did was chase after this external goal of making it, of having a school full of people and just making a living out of my passion. That's what I wanted the most, or at least that's what I thought I wanted. While hard work and grit, determination helped me a lot, along with what I learned from my mentor to make my school a success, what was missing was the internal aspect of that hard work. So long story short, I got this success. I got a school full of people. I was making a living out of my passion, something that before I thought was impossible. When I started martial arts, I thought you couldn't make a living out of it. So I managed to create that life for myself. And yet, I still wasn't happy. I felt like something was still missing from my life, and I couldn't explain it. I was angry with myself because I couldn't understand why you worked so hard for this goal, yet you're still not happy. I couldn't shake the feeling of, is this all there is? And only later, I understood the reason for all of it. The reason why I wanted this goal so much was because I wanted to prove to my family that I was worthy, that I was enough. I wanted to prove to the world that this wasn't a mistake, that me living out my passions, living out my dreams was not a mistake. So I was focused on the outside. So many people in our society, because we didn't feel loved when we were kids for some reason or the other. We didn't understand love. We didn't get the kind of love that we needed. To better understand what I mean, go and read the 5 Love Languages, the book. So many of us, because we didn't get love, the meaning that we got was, you are not enough. Because if you would have been enough, you would have gotten the kind of love that you felt, that you knew that you deserved, right? Because if you were enough, the mom, the dad wouldn't have left. If you would have been enough, you wouldn't get beat up as a kid, right? Because you think that you were a bad kid. So we associate this meaning of, I am not enough, so I'm going to prove to my family, I'm going to prove to everybody that I am not a mistake, right? But going back, if we look at the situation objectively, or at least in my case, my parents did love me. They just loved me in their own way, right? In a language that I didn't understand. I needed a different language. So I had to deal with the meaning of I am not enough, and I had to prove to everybody. But once I understood that I am enough, just because of the fact that I'm alive, just because of the fact that I was born, just because of the fact that I'm breathing, I am enough. And this applies to you. Just because of the fact that you're alive, You are enough. You have nothing to prove. You are nothing. You have. There is no reason for you to go after, these crazy goals that are not really yours, just to prove to somebody that you're worthy of love. You're already worthy of love. You're already, because of the fact that you're alive, you are worthy. So this meditation is going to help you release all of these meanings that you are not enough, so that you may go after who you truly are, so that you may fill up that void and never feel like there's no meaning to your life. The reason why you feel that way is because you're not being your true self. Once we release this I am not enough, you're free to live your life. The kind of life that actually makes you happy. The kind of life that brings you wealth, abundance, while keeping you happy and meaningful to yourself. Now, if you're excited to do this, comment in the comment section, say, yes, I am excited to do this. And we will begin. I want you to sit down somewhere quiet, on a couch, on your favorite chair, or sit up on your bed. Listen to this with your favorite meditation music in the background. Close your eyes and slowly relax your body. Feel every ounce of your body relaxing. Feel all tension melt away from your body. And feel your body full of light, of warm, relaxing, white light. And focus on your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Excellent. Now let's go back to your childhood. Let's go back to that one moment where you feel, or you felt, that you needed love from a parent, a guardian, someone who played a significant role in your childhood. And you did not get the kind of love, the affection that you needed. And you may have associated the belief that you may not be enough. That if you would have been enough, this person would have showed you the love that you truly wanted, that you truly needed. Breathe in, breathe out. Now I want you to connect with their heart. I want you to see their heart in that moment, in that specific moment in time. And I want you to ask their heart, why did they do what they did and the way they did it? Ask their heart, what was the reason why they did what they did? Excellent. Please share with their heart why that moment specifically hurt you so much. Share with their heart what kind of suffering did that specific moment cause in your life? What kind of hardships are you dealing with right now in this moment in your life because of that specific moment? Share everything with their heart. Don't be afraid to get angry. Don't be afraid to yell at their heart. Don't be afraid to express yourself honestly. They will understand. They will not judge you. Tell them everything. Good. See them listening to you. See them understanding your heart just as you understand their heart in that moment. And see them apologizing. See them asking for forgiveness. Because they did not understand, or they did not meant it to be this way, to cause you harm, to cause you pain. Not in their heart of hearts. Good. Now allow yourself to forgive them. Say, I forgive you. It might be difficult, but say it again. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. Because when you forgive other people, we actually forgive ourselves. Say it until you feel happy about it. Feel forgiveness healing you. Now forgive yourself. Say to yourself, I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself because I am enough. I am enough. Think it in your heart. I am enough. Say it until you feel it with every cell of your body. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now when you're ready, at the count of 3, come back in the here and now. Breathe in. Breathe out. When you come back, you will feel full. You will feel like you have nothing to prove to the world. And you will feel worthy of love, of living a life of high vibration, a life of meaning, a life of love, a life where you are being your true self. 1, 2, get ready to step into that light of abundance, of joy, of freedom, of meaning. 3, open your eyes. Excellent. Let me just say that I'm very, very proud of you. It takes a lot of courage to go back and heal your past so that you may live your present fully. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to take a whiteboard marker or some lipstick and write on every mirror in the house. I am enough. Put a wallpaper on your phone. I actually made a wallpaper that you can download and use on your phone. Check out the description. And leave this for 30 days. Don't do anything, just leave it on the mirrors, all the mirrors of your house, and leave it on your phone for 30 days. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. And let me know what changed in your life in the following 30 days. I'm very excited to talk about this in day 42 of our Mindset Mastery series and see what changed in the past 30 days for you. Now, if you've enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe